In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a client's name on Upwork. Personalizing your proposal can make a real difference, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to address the client by name. Upwork doesn't always show this up front, but you can often find it by looking at information that's publicly visible on a job post. I'll walk you through a simple, reliable method. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork. This is just a quick way to land on the official site without mistyping the address. Click the official Upwork result to open the website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can view full job details. Once you're on Upwork, navigate to the job marketplace and open the listings. Pick a specific job you're genuinely interested in. Choosing a relevant job matters because the details you need appear on the job's own page, alongside information about the client. On the job post page, scroll down below the main description, budget or hourly range, and screening questions. Keep going until you reach the section labeled Client's Recent History. This section summarizes the client's hiring activity, including how many jobs they've posted, how much they've spent, and most importantly for us, public feedback that previous freelancers have left. Now, read through those feedback entries carefully. When a contract ends, freelancers often leave a brief comment. In many cases, they'll thank the client by first name, with messages like, "Great experience working with name." When you see that, you've found the client's name using information that's already public on the platform. If you notice the same name mentioned across multiple contracts, that's a good confirmation you're looking at the right person. If no name appears, that's completely normal. Some freelancers only leave a star rating or keep their comments generic. Use any name you find respectfully, and only to personalize your greeting inside Upwork. Keep communication on the platform, avoid guessing or pulling data from outside sources, and follow marketplace rules. A simple, accurate, high first name can go a long way when paired with a focused proposal. A few reading tips help here. Expand any shortened comments to see the full text, glance at dates to prioritize recent feedback, and note the client's location, spend, and average rating to better understand how they work while you're already in this section. That's the process. By opening Upwork, selecting a job, scrolling to client's recent history, and reading freelancer feedback, you can often uncover the client's name quickly and ethically. If no name shows up, use a professional neutral greeting and let your expertise do the talking.